Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get active developer badge on Discord. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and if you are if you are using Discord and you want to get the active developer badge, go ahead and use the GhostBot to make this ready, made, and good to go. And if you don't even know how to code, then this will make your life easy and simple to claim your active developer badge. First of all, open the bot.ghost.com and then basically go ahead and click the Discord developer portal right here, or you can just go ahead and basically create a bot. All right, and basically you can add a command and then basically select the bot and then click the add a button to click, and you are all done. Now go to the custom command module and then scroll a little bit down and then check if the say command is implemented. And if you see the say command, then you follow the article correctly, and then finally invite the bot to your server or private server and run the command and then claim the badge. The following next part below will guide you on how to claim it. And basically you can go ahead to your Discord right here and you can claim your badge by clicking the link right here. You're going to be able to see it, developers/active developers. And once these steps are complete, you should see your new active badge on your profile after 30 days of confirmation. That's one on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.